Our session today. Let's Davi leads our class.
Stand up, please. Say salam to our teacher. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let's open our class by reciting basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sit down.
Okay, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Okay, how are you today? Fine. I am delighted to hear that you are saying that you are fine. But before we start our lesson today. What day is today?
Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday. And what date is today? 13th of December 2022. Yeah. Okay. Now, before that, please tidy up your table. Take out your pen. Okay. Prepare your notes. All right. Are you ready, everyone?
Yay.
Okay. Now, look at our slide today. Okay. Before we start, let's have a warm-up first. Guess, what am I? I am a beverage. I am very good for you. I come from an animal. Wait. I am white. What am I? Milk. Okay. There is a spill over there. Okay, next. Number 2. I use electricity. People store food in me. Okay, next clue. I can produce ice. Okay, wait. I am in the kitchen.
Freezer.
What I am? What? Refrigerator. Freezer or refrigerator. Okay. Freezer. Okay, that's great. Now, let's see the picture. But before coming to the next one, I have a question for you. What do you usually see inside your fridge? What do you usually see inside your fridge, Davi? Milk. Egg. Beef. Banana. Cucumber. Leftovers. Okay. Apple. Yes, so many food. Juice. Yeah. You have juice. Ice. You have ice. And do you know how to say something in your fridge? Do you know? Inside the fridge. What do you use? If you want to say something in your fridge, you use there is or there are. There is or there are. There are. All right. Now, before we come to that point, let me explain first what we are going to learn today. Yeah. Okay. First one, tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini, siswa dapat menunjukkan penggunaan there is, there are, dan countable, uncountable nouns dalam kalimat menanyakan dan menyebutkan keberadaan benda di rumah. Yang kedua, nanti juga kalian akan pelajari tentang mengelompokkan countable and uncountable, ya, dalam kalimat untuk menyebutkan keberadaan benda di rumah melalui kegiatan games, ya. Yang ketiga, siswa mampu membuat teks tulis sangat pendek untuk memberi dan meminta informasi terkait keberadaan benda. Jadi, so later we have 3 activities that you will do during the lessons. Okay, everyone, now let's come to the next one. Let's see. Again, I have some question with you. From the picture, could you mention what are there in the picture, in this fridge? What kind of things in the fridge?
There are 2 bottles of milk.
Bottles of milk. What else?
There are
Vegetables.
Vegetables. Okay.
There are some eggs.
There are some eggs. Okay.
There are some bananas.
There are some banana. Faza.
Bananas.
What else, Faza? Do you see in the fridge?
There are some fruits.
There are some fruits. Okay. What fruits?
Apple.
Apple. Okay.
Orange.
Strawberry.
There is 2 mineral water. There are.
Okay. Yes, fine. There is. Okay. Mineral waters. There is mineral water. Okay. Ibrahim, what about you, Ibrahim? What else that is in the fridge?
There are 2 juice.
There are 2 juice. Okay, there are 2 juice. That's fine. Now, if that you have already say there are and there is, but if we come to the question, what can we say if we look for something?
There is.
And we want to say something. There is or there are?
Is there.
Is there? Okay. If you are going to ask something, is there or are there? Yeah. Okay. What sentence we can say to state amount of things? Kira-kira kalimat apa ya yang bisa kita sebutkan kalau kita mau menyebutkan jumlah sesuatu? If you want to say something.
How much?
How many? How much? Or how many? Or any, ya? Okay.
Many.
Or many? Okay. Right? Nah, let's see this conversation before we come to this one. There are some conversation, but let we divide you first. This one become A, this one become B. So read together based on these conversations. Yeah. In 3, let's start the conversation. Okay, the first one, A first. Okay.
Oh, your refrigerator.
Together, 1, 2, 3.
Wow, your refrigerator looks amazing.
Thank you. Do you want some milk?
Is there any orange juice?
Yes, there is a bottle of orange juice. I have mango juice too.
How many bottles do you have there?
There are 8 bottles. I have orange and mango juice, yogurt, 2 bottles of mineral water, and 2 bottles of milk.
I'll have orange juice then. Thank you. Sure. Do you want some fruits? There are many fruits here. Apple, pear, kiwi, and banana. Kiwi sounds good.
Okay, let's sit down while watching movie. Wait, there is a lemon too here. Do you want it?
No, thank you. Kiwi is enough.
Okay, great. Now, look at the bold ones. Which sentence that we give bold over there?
Is there any orange
Is
juice?
there any orange juice? And then?
Yes, there is a bottle of orange juice.
Okay. And then after that,
How many bottles do you have there? And there are 8 bottles.
okay, then there are 8 bottles. And the last one, is there the last one or the next one?
Next one. There are many fruits.
There are many fruits here. Okay,
There
and
is
last one.
lemon too here.
There is a lemon too here. Okay. Is there any question? So basically from the conversation, what did he ask? What this one or A ask? Or A ask? What did he ask? Orange juice. Yeah, he asked about orange juice. Okay. Now, based on that conversation, what are we going to study today?
There is.
There is and there are. Okay. Before that, let me explain first what is there is and what is there are. When do we use them? Kapan ya kita menggunakan dua hal ini? Okay, the first one, we talk about there is, and it is always followed by singular nouns ya. Selalu diikuti oleh singular nouns. And also there are is always followed by plural, jamak. Okay. For example, there is a monkey. Yeah. This is singular one. Which one is singular? Monkey. And if we go to the next one, for example, there are 5 monkeys. Yeah. Always followed by plurals. Always are. Which one? From the nouns that indicates plural. Kira-kira yang mana ya yang menunjukkan plural?
There are.
How many monkeys here? 5. Yeah. It means when the nouns is more than one, that we call it plurals. Yeah. Next, let's try again. The second one. There is, what is this?
There is a monster.
There is a monster. Yeah. And this one?
There are many monsters.
There are 3 monsters. Okay. So, like we inform you in the beginning of the lessons, today we talk about asking and giving information, things around us. Yeah. Okay. If you want to ask something, we can use this one. Yeah, asking information. Is there any? If it is singular, yeah, is there any? Yeah. And if we talk about things that more than one, we say, are there any? Also, where it is and where are they? Ya, sama. Kasusnya juga sama. Kalau dia single, gunakan ini one, plural are there. So, how do we respond to the question? Gimana cara kita? Kalau if the thing is there, kalau sesuatunya atau bendanya ada di situ, maka jawabannya yes there. But if the thing is not there, we can say it no there isn't. So ya, the plural one. Begitu juga dengan yang bagian pluralnya. So different here. Yes, there are some. But if we say it no, there aren't any. Yes, there aren't any. Okay. Have you done? Okay. Let's try the next one. Look at this one, the explanation. And also use there is with singular nouns. Remember, there is with singular noun, just the same. For example, there is an apple on the table. There is a bag in my room. Yeah. There is a sofa in my living room. Or we can use there is with non-countable nouns. For example, apa contohnya di sini? There is a bottle of water in the fridge. There is a cup of tea on the table. Kalau dia dengan plural, how do we form them into sentence? There are many chairs in my house. Okay, there are some bottles here. Ada beberapa botol yang ada di situ. Nah, let's have practice first. Coba, let's try to provide. Raise your pen. Coba angkat pulpennya dulu. Raise your pen. Okay. Let's say there is a pen.
There is a pen.
Put the pen on the table. Okay, say the sentence. Sebutkan kalimatnya.
There is a pen on the table.
Okay. Let me put it. How do you say it in the sentence? What is this? Table. Okay. There is a pen
Under the table.
Okay. Now, what is this?
Book.
Okay.
There is a book on the table.
Okay, there is a book on the table. Now let me try. I have pen. How many pens do I have? Three. Okay, now how do you say in a sentence if we have 3 pens on your hand? Okay, there are 3 pens, yeah? Atau there are many pens. Now let me put it here. What do you say in English?
There are 3 pens on the table.
Okay, there are 3 pens on the table. Which one is yours?
No. Yes.
Okay, give it back. Okay, so far so good. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, but before we continue, is there any question?
No.
No question? Okay, let's get to the next one. Nah, look, things around you. Coba sebutkan or try to mention. Think around you, ya. Yeah, that we can count. Coba sebutkan 1. Okay, let me try from Nova. Mention one thing around you, Nova. Yang countable. Benda yang dapat dihitung. Contohnya di sini, for example, bicycle, orange, 100 volt, 4 wheels, some women. Nah, sekarang think around us first in the classroom. Pen, Bara. Book, okay. Al. Shoes, okay. Jackie. Clock. Faza. Key. Okay. Rapka. Eraser. Okay. Nah, those things that you mentioned are countable. Things yang bisa kamu hitung. Now, what about uncountable nouns? Bagaimana ya kalau dengan uncountable noun yang nggak bisa kita hitung? Di antaranya apa? Oxygen. What else? Hair. Okay, hair. Water. Salt. Rice. Apa lagi? Air. Honey. Madu ya. Betul.
Paper of the book.
Paper of book. Okay. Table. Ah, that's great. Oke, ini contohnya juga seperti ini ya. For example, kalau kita if we make them into sentence. For example like this. Countable nouns have a singular and plural form. Biasanya kalau benda yang bisa dihitung, something that we can count, always there is a plural form. Ada bentuk pluralnya. For example, a tree, and we change it into plural. 2 trees. And also next What, for example, uncountable nouns? Bagaimana dengan yang uncountable nouns?
Uncountable.
No plural. Selalu dia nggak ada bentuk pluralnya. There is no plural form. Ya. For example, butter. Can we form them into? We add s at the end of the nouns? No, we cannot make it. So it's always singular. Ya. It's always singular. For example, sugar is sweet. We cannot make it sugars or sweet. No, always singular. Ya. Okay. Here are some example. Ini beberapa contoh, some example of uncountable noun. There are abstract ideas, ada abstract ideas, liquids and gases made of smaller parts, ya. And some food, ada beberapa juga makanan, and also materials, just like wood, glass, paper, ya, iron, and also be careful. Tapi hati-hati. What should be careful? Uncountable in English. Ada furniture, advice, work, and news, information. Ini and money, ya, and money. Tahu hati-hati. Money itu, for example, money. Can we count money?
Yes.
Yes. So why do you ask the question? How much money do you have? Not how many money do you have? How much or how many? How much is for something that uncountable, right? Nah, kenapa jadi uang jadi how much, not how many? Nah, be careful. Is there anyone can answer that question? Okay. Let's go move on. There is an explanation here. Ada penjelasannya. Contohnya lagi, for example, di sini ada apa nih? One candy, one sandwich, ya. If we change it into plural and become alright. Contoh uncountable-nya, for example, milk, a bottle of milk. Yeah, this is actually uncountable. But if we put a bottle that we can say it a bottle of milk, then become, kalau ada 3 botol jadinya gimana? If there is 3, there is or there are? Why? Plural. Which one is plural? Bottlesnya ya, not the milk ya, but milknya yes, uncountable. Oke, ini juga contohnya. Nah, oke, now your turn. What is this? Bag.
2 bags.
3 bags.
Rabbit. 2 rabbits. 3 rabbits. 4 rabbits. 5 rabbits.
Okay.
An apple.
An apple.
2 apples. 3 apples.
4 apples.
Okay, now again, this is the number mentioned in the sentence.
1.
One.
book.
What is this?
Dictionary.
Dictionary. One dictionary. Or a book, yeah.
Many children.
Children.
Okay, children.
Umbrella.
3. Mention with 3. 3.
3 umbrellas.
3 umbrella or 3 umbrellas?
Umbrellas.
Okay. This is an umbrella, yeah. This one? Cat. A lot of cats. This one?
Bag.
A bag. This one?
A bus.
A bus. Okay. Now, let's practice with uncountable now.
Milk.
Milk.
Milk. A bottle of milk.
A bottle of milk. Rice.
A bowl of rice.
Huh?
A plate of
A plate of rice. Okay.
spoon
Spoon.
of rice.
A spoon of rice. What is that?
What is that?
Huh? Rice?
That is the water.
A rice. Okay. A rice. Now this one.
Money.
Money. Do you like money?
Yeah. Love.
Do you love money?
Yeah.
Okay, question. How much money do you have? A lot?
Haven't.
50K. Okay, there one have 50K. 3K? 3K, what do you mean 3K? 300K?
No.
Oh, only 3. Okay, now. Money. Actually, money is uncountable now. Yeah. If you refer money into currency, for example, kalau kamu merujuk pada currency, for example, dollars, rupiah, apalagi, peso, grand, yen, won, that we count money. For example, $2,000, 2,000 rupees, money can be counted. But if you refer money to wealthy itu apa? Wealth. Kekayaan, amounts of money, pada merujuk uang pada kekayaan, it's uncountable. I have a lot of money. Ya, tapi if you refer to currency, dollars, yen, apalagi, rupiah, rupee, then we can count it. Ya, oke. Nah, sekarang let's try this one. A bowl of rice. And the second one?
A cup of milk. A glass.
A glass of milk.
1 kilogram sugar.
1 kilogram bungkus apa kita sebutkan ini? What do you say in English this one?
Over.
We can call it a kilogram of sugar. Okay. And this one?
A glass.
A cup of tea.
What is that? A soap.
Soap?
A bar of
Okay. A bar of soap. Okay. This one?
A bottle of marjan.
A bottle of syrup. A bottle of syrup. Nah, there you are. Look at this one. If you want to, for example, milk, water, apalagi nih, honey, what else? Coffee, ya. Ada istilahnya. There are some terms that we can use. For example, ada milk, a bottle of, berarti sebotol susu. Kalau a glass of, a jug of, okay, a cup of, secangkir, a packet, sepaket, ya, and so a lot of. For bread, for example, bread, a loaf of, what does it mean? A loaf of? Satu apa tuh? Bukan loaf. Loaf. A loaf itu satu, apa namanya tuh? What do we say that one? Genggam. Kalau a slice, what is that? Sepotong, ya. Bisa kita cartoon, what is that? Satu karton, ya, satu bungkus. Nah, semua a bowl, semangkok. Ya, ada kilo, a bar. Bar itu apa? What do we say that bar? Batang, ya. We say batang. A piece of. What is that? A piece of. Sepotong. A piece of meat. Apa tuh?
Daging.
Sepotong daging. Oke, nah, let's make a group first, ya. Just like what we made before, we will divide you into groups. Please make groups based on the groups that we have met. Okay, now please go to your groups. You may make a circle, no problem. Ya, rapikan kursinya, make a circle. Okay, or yeah, don't too far. Yes, it's fine like this. No problem. Is it? Atau kursinya masuk nggak apa-apa. Okay. Oh, you sure this one will work? Okay. Have you got? But Okay, everyone, look at here first. Let me explain first. I have 3 worksheets here that I will divide you. I will divide them to you, to your groups. Then you will work each group, in your group, based on this one. I will divide first. This is the worksheet. Is it too far? No? I think it's closer. How do you make it closer? Go inside. No, like this. Go inside. Okay. That's better. Okay. This one, is it too far? Okay, everyone. Before you do the first activities, let's write first name of your teams in the column that I have provided there. Yang sudah Mister siapkan di situ, silakan tulis dulu. Let's write first. Okay. And also here there is a card, vocabulary card that can help you to answer question later. Okay, have you written your name? Okay. Okay, everyone, raise your hand if you have written the names of your groups. Okay, great. Now, let's see the first one. Open exercise 1. Silakan buka exercise 1. In the exercise 1, there is a picture. Ada sebuah gambar. There are a lot of things there. Ada banyak hal di situ. What you have to do, write down, tulislah sentence asking and giving information about things existent in the picture. Tentang sesuatu yang ada di dalam gambar itu. For example, what is this? Di situ apa di situ?
This is my dining table.
This is my dining table. Jawabannya apa? What is the answer? This is my dining table. Kalau nomor 2, apa nomor 2? How many people in there? Ada berapa orang di sana? There are 3 people. And the next one, what is the question? Okay, is there any spoon on the table? Apakah ada? Nah, sekarang in group, coba buatlah kalimat seperti itu. What else you can find in this picture? Tulis kalimatnya, write down the sentence with your group.
Wow, chicken.
Okay, now let's work. Let's discuss with your friend. Okay, Faza. There. I think it's closer, Faza, to your friend over there. Closer over here with your friend. Okay. Alright. Go here. Bring a chair here. Bawa kursinya ke sini. So more closer to Ibrahim. Lebih dekat ke Ibrahim. Closer. Alright.
Any fried chicken.
Baru ya. Bentar. Okay. How is so far? You may discuss first. Is that correct? The answer.
Yes, correct.
After that, discuss with your group. Yeah. Me noodle.
Ini kok dihitung dari noodle ini dihitung nggak? Mi, noodle. Control, okay, control. There is.
So what about your team?
Jangan tutup.
Okay. Alright. Fine. Great. Group 2. You are group 2. You are group 2. Aren't you? Okay. And what about your team? Okay, is there? All right. We'll still discuss about it, yeah.
How many glass? One bang. Berarti how many chips? Ada berapa tuh?
You can use something like this. For example, is there or how many?
Oh,
If we ask for plural, what question that we will ask? Pertanyaan apa yang akan kita tanyakan kalau dia plural? Banyak. For example here, how many chickens here? How many?
6.
So how do you ask? If you ask, is there any spoon on the table? Itu, for example, is there is one, ya, singular. If you want to ask for plural, because there are many chicken over there, how do you ask? Are there? You can see here. Are there? Now discuss with your friend. And what about you? How is so far? Is there any? Okay. Is there any? What is this? Noodle. Yeah?
Noodle.
All right.
Triliun.
Okay.
5 miliar 1 juta.
Here is your turn. Whose group has done? Still in discussion? Okay. I'll give you 2 more minutes.
Time when it comes to
Apa ya?
What do you say? You can say, see here, this can help you. Let's find. Is there here that can help you?
Ada berapa tangan dulu ya?
Focus on the food, yeah. I think that's fine. Yes, that's fine if you want to write it based on that is shown in the picture.
Is there any green flag?
For example, if you ask something, but there isn't over there. How will you answer that question?
There
Is there, for example, I ask, is there an apple here?
no, there isn't.
Oh iya.
Right? You can use negative. You can use negative sentence.
Is there what?
There is a party.
There is a mask. There is no.
Jangan here on table. What is it itu belum? Yes. Udah. No. Itu kan fried chicken. Beda loh. Yes. There is a plate of chicken. A plate of fried chicken. Pertanyaannya plate.
Kalau pada pertanyaan there are chickens here.
Chicken here.
Done?
Chicken.
Have you done?
Sudah.
Okay, 1 minute left.
Kali kamu dapat
So what else?
Is there a mask? No, there is not.
Yeah, you can use negative. Just like the example that we made before.
Is there a pen?
So what usually you serve on your table? There is what?
Are there?
Mhm. Are there any
vegetable? Yeah.
done? Okay, one more.
Wait. Almost there.
Okay, now if you have done with this, can go to the next one. See, identify the countable and uncountable noun in the picture. Which one from the picture is countable and which one is uncountable? Can put it here. Okay. Oh, it's cutting. Put here, no problem. You can write here. Which one is countable? Okay. Done? Okay, now raise your hand, each group, if you have done doing the first picture. Okay. What about Faza and Tim? Ibrahim, have you done? Okay, now if you've done with that one, let's go to the next one. Look at C. Point C. Look at point C. Identify the countable and uncountable noun in the picture. Silakan pilih yang mana ya, which one from those things in the picture is countable. For example, rice. Is it countable or uncountable? Nah, sekarang write them down. That's fine. You write it here at the back of the paper. Silakan lanjutkan. Please continue. Yes, right here.
Nah,
In discussion with your team.
ketua ini ketua. Terus
Okay.
Demi seleraku. Nonetheless.
Yo yo ayo. Ini spoon ini spoon.
Help your friend. Come on, with the picture.
Company.
I think one of you may write in the paper. At the back here, no problem. What? You show here. Show. Look at the picture. No problem. No need to write this like this. You just write something like this. For example, countable.
Oh my god.
And the next double is yes. Wait. What is countable noun over there in the picture?
Chicken.
Chicken. What is uncountable?
Noodles.
Noodles. Are you sure? Uncountable noodles?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, if you are sure.
Noodles.
What else?
Rice.
Noodles.
Rice. Write them down like this. Okay, yes. Look at this one. Oh, what is that? A bottle of a jar of is this slice here? Lemon. This one.
This lemon, bro.
Bottle, yeah. A bottle of lemon. A jar, yeah. Jar. I think it's a jar. Is there? Okay.
Lupa salah ya, penting berusaha.
Yes, no problem.
Ini itu uncountable glass. Hah?
Discuss.
Oh iya, people.
Okay, next one. Wait, this one. I think you can do this one. Classify them. One. Identify the countable and uncountable noun in the picture. For example, countable. Write like this. What is countable noun here? Chicken. Write down chicken. What is uncountable noun?
Uncountable water. This one.
Water. Yes.
This one.
All things here. Yeah, right here. For example, chicken is countable. Write chicken. What else? Noodle. Okay. What else? Uncountable. For example, what do you say? Uncountable noun?
Countable kan?
Uncountable. Sorry, uncountable. Which one? Rice. Yeah, that's great. What else? You just write them here. If it is not enough, you can write here.
Plate.
Done? Done?
Syrup. Syrup uncountable.
Syrup? Okay. Yeah, write down. Have you written yours?
Ano Pak? Food.
Okay, everyone. Time is over. Let me hear from each group. Yeah, I will pinpoint each group to present what you've got, what you have written in the activities. Okay, everyone, look at here. Yes, Faza and team, look at here. Zaki, Nata. Now, I want to hear from this group first. You may stand up, yeah, so everyone can see you. Stand up first in groups. You may comment. If you think. All right, Nata and team, look at here. Nata, is it Nata? Okay. You may comment. Maybe could be the sentence is wrong or the sentence is right. Yeah, you may comment. Okay, or something you can give suggestion. Kamu bisa ngasih saran juga. Alright, let's listen from this group. Faik, Bara, and Tim. Okay, look at your friend. It's okay. Dennis, look at your friend. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam.
Here, Dennis.
Now we are going to present our task from Mr. Awal. For asking information, how many chicken on the plate? And giving information, there are many chicken in the plate. This is right sentence, positive sentence.
Asking information. Is there any glass on the table?
Is there any gas on the table?
Giving information. Yes. There are two glasses on the table.
On the table. Okay.
Next, how many noodle on the table? Giving information, there is a plate of noodle.
Okay. How many noodle on the table? Okay. So what about countable and uncountable nouns? What do you have? Could you mention you in your table? Okay. Which nouns that is countable and which noun is uncountable?
Countable, glass, spoon, plate, chicken, people in table.
Okay, keep going.
Noodle, water, rice, honey, sugar, salt, syrup.
Okay. Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay, now I would like to hear from other group. From this group, is there? What do you think? Is there any comment? No comment? So this group so far is so good? Okay. Inshallah. What do you think, Dapi? What do you think? Is there any nouns that you think does not belongs to not countable or uncountable?
No.
So do you think what they have done is correct? Correct. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. I think that's all. Yes. Sit down, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Now the last one. I would like to hear from Zaki and Tim. Okay, Jackie and Tim, please. Yes, here. You can stand here. So everyone, look at this group.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Mr. Al. The first one is how many plates are there? Is asking information. Giving information is there are 6 plates on the table.
Asking you information is, are there any chickens? Giving information is, yes, there are 3 chickens on the big plate.
Asking information is there any rice? And giving information is, yes, there is some rice.
There is some rice. Okay.
There is all. Yes, what is this? Some rice. Yes. And giving information is, yes, there is some rice.
There is some rice. Okay.
Next is there
Okay, everyone, look.
cup of coffee. Giving information is no, there isn't.
Okay, what about the nouns that you have you categorized? Please have comments. It should just match with yours. Yeah.
Is.
Whether the nouns that they have categorized is the same like yours. Okay. Could you mention?
Countable is table equal spoons.
Okay. Uncountable
And chickens.
and chicken. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Next,
uncountable.
And uncountable is noodle, a plate of noodle, a plate of chicken.
Okay. Plates of noodles and a plate of chickens. Yeah. Rice uncountable or not? Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the groups. Ibrahim groups. Is there any comment? No. So what they have said is correct. Okay. What about Hairi and Tim? So far so good. Okay. And your team?
Good team.
Okay, good team. Yes. I think they have mentioned right one. Now please have a seat. Okay, everyone. Now let's go to the next one. Look at LKPD 2 or worksheet number 2. You can go to the next one. Yeah. Go to the next one. Not this one. This is look at the back in the middle. This one. Okay. Have you closer with your friend so you can discuss with your friend. Okay, look at worksheet number 2. There are there are missing words in the sentence. Okay, everyone look at here first before you do the task. Yeah. Faza and Tim, look at here. Okay. Task number 2, it talk about sentences, yeah. But fill the sentences with the right phrases. Dengan frasa yang tepat. Could be there is or is there, could be many. But there are some words that can help you. Ada beberapa kata yang bisa membantu kalian. Perhatikan di sini. I give you this one, the card. Ya, I give you the card. Look at the card. Okay, look at here. Coba lihat di sini ke tangan Mister. Look at here. There are some cards here that can help you to put in the sentences. Yeah. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, now, please. I give you 5 minutes to do the task. Okay, let's discuss with your friend. Dennis, here. Go around with your friend. Closer with your friend. So, yeah, that's great. Closer. Faza, you can go here, Faza. So you can discuss there. Hayri, you can go here. Hayri, bring your chair. Faza, can you go? You can go here, Faza. Bring your chair.
There is a jar of water. No, there is a jar of milk.
Okay.
There is a jar of honey. There is a jar of honey. Hey, not you. Just honey.
Wait, orange.
Bring a glass.
A glass of milk. Milk.
My mother adds
Some curd.
some rice.
Some good.
My mother adds some
How many books have you
Sugar of sugar. Ah.
Spoon of sugar.
one star. I should drink 8 glasses of orange.
A cup of tea. Oranges.
A bar of restaurant will make me a bar of chocolate.
Bar of salt.
Too many book.
Rumani.
Oh, water.
Okay. Have you done?
Yes, yes.
Wait. What's this?
Books.
Okay. And this one?
Water.
Water. Oh, great. Alright. What about you? Have you done?
Done.
Alright. Great. Done? Have you done? Raise your hand if you have done. Great. Okay. Put your hand down. Now, I would like to hear from Faza and Ibrahim teams. What you've got? Could you mention what you've answered? Okay. You can stand up. And the other team, look at your sentence. Yeah. And you make comment from the sentence that they have written. Okay, time is yours, Faza and team.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I was do some class in Sarawak, and the question and the answer of number 1 is there are some
Check yours.
Yes, it's number 1.
Okay.
Number 2, there is a book on myself.
I read a book on myself.
Number 3, there is a jar of honey in the kitchen.
There is a jar of honey in the kitchen.
There are cats in my house.
Okay.
5, I drink a glass of milk this morning.
Okay.
6, my mother dashed a span of sugar on her tea.
7, how much money do you need to buy a bicycle?
Bicycle. Okay.
8, I sold
drink 8 glasses of water a day.
Wow. A day.
And
But gold.
okay.
How many books have you read today?
Okay. How many books have you read today? That's all? Okay. Give applause to this group. All right. Sit down. Now, I would like to hear from this group. Is there any comment? What do you think?
Read all the music songs. A lot of mistake of the pronunciation.
Okay, there are some mistake in pronunciation. So what about the words they write? Is that correct? All?
Correct.
Okay. What do you think?
Mistake.
What the mistake?
Is
This.
Ads.
Add.
The right
The right one?
pronunciation is ads.
Ads. Okay, add, yeah? All right. Okay. What about this group? What do you think? Jackie? It's good?
Aja food is cannot stop moving.
But feet can stop moving. All right. Okay. And we would like to hear the right ones. What this group? Okay, please. Time is yours. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Okay. All eyes to the group.
wabarakatuh. In here. Okay, we want to present with our
Right.
Number one, there are some tomatoes.
What?
In my fridge. Number two, there is a book on my shelf.
Shelf.
Three, there is a jar of honey in the kitchen.
Number 4, there are 2 cats in my house. Number 5, I drink a cup of tea this morning. My mother adds a spoon of sugar in her tea.
Okay.
7. How much money do you need to buy a bicycle? 8. I should drink 8 glasses of water a day.
Water.
9. A bar of gold make me happy.
Perfect.
10.
Yeah.
How many books have you read today?
10.
Okay. 10. How many books have you read today? All right. This group, is there any comments? No. So far, so good with this team. Okay. There's no mistakes. So what about this team? Dennis? Okay. Aga? Great. Okay, everyone. I think from these two presenters, what you've done, that's great. Yeah, I think you only a little bit mistakes that you made. For example, pronunciation. But so far, with everything, with the words you fill in the blank, that's correct. Yeah, thank you, everyone. Okay, now let's go to the last one. We are going to do the last one. What is that? Task 3. Look at task 3. Yeah, you look at the one. Please go to the last page. Not yet. Yeah, this one. Not yet. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Look at the instruction. Look at the picture. Make a short dialogue. Ya, buatlah dialog pendek. From asking and giving information by using there is and they are and correct quantifier. Ya, dengan quantifier yang tepat. Contohnya seperti apa sih? For example, like this. What is this? This is my family in the dining table. How many people are there? Always like that. How many people are there? 6. There are 6. Is there any bread on the table? No. Yes, yeah, there are a lot of bread on the table. Are there some food? Yes. Yes, there are some food and snack. How many glasses are there?
4.
There are 4 glasses. Now, your turn. There's a picture over there. Please fill in. Make a short dialogue based on the picture. Yes, that's one. Only one. Okay, now time is yours. I'll give you 5 minutes to do that one. Please discuss with your friend. It's too big, Bara. Make it a little bit small. Yeah. When you write them, yeah, make it small like this. So this is enough. Okay. Yes. This is fine. I think you just make this one. Later, no problem. Make something like this, yeah.
How many fish are there?
Make sure the writing is not too big. So this is enough.
How many banana on the table? How many bread on the table? How many people wear glasses? How many people use chair are there? Glasses. What are these? How many children? No. Yes.
What is this?
Done?
What is this?
Have you done? You may continue here, no problem. How many? 1, 2, 10. Yeah? Is it 10 sentence? This you don't need to do this one.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Yes, this one. Yes. 1 more, right? Until 10, I think here 10 sentences.
20 bananas. 20 bananas.
How many is there? How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cheers?
Oh, cheers.
Six. 3 children.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
Okay. That sounds.
That sound is good.
Okay. Sounds good. No need. Okay, no need. Have you done with this?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Have you done? Okay, this team have done, and you? All right.
You may make a mistake.
Have you done?
Yeah.
Okay. So what about your team?
Last one.
Okay, the last one. Okay, raise your hand if you have done. Your team. Okay, Wara and team, have you done? Okay. Okay, put down your hands. Now, last one. I would like to hear from each group to read what you've got, and you can act with the conversation that you've made, the dialogue that you have made. Who wanna go first? Who wanna go first? Hairi and team. Okay. Okay, Hairi and team, please. Okay.
Just two people.
Okay. Problem? Time is yours. All right.
What is this? How many chairs are there?
There are 5 chairs.
How many bananas on the table?
There are 20 bananas.
On the plate. How many shells are there? There are 3 children. How many corn on the table? There are 3 corn.
Okay, that's it?
Yes.
Okay. Give applause to this group. Okay. Faza, what do you think their conversation? Faza and team? What do you think? Is there any comment? No comment? So far, so good. Okay, now, Zaki and team. Come on.
Very funny.
Right. Very funny. So why do you think this is funny?
Because
Hairi is so funny.
Hairi is so funny. What about Dafi? Dafi. So, yeah. Okay, next. Jackie and Tim, please. Your turn. Okay, the other team look at their conversation, their dialogue. Is there any similarities or differences from yours? Okay, Davi? Yes, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
What is this?
This is my dining room.
How many people are there?
There are 5 people.
What are they doing?
They are taking lunch.
Is there any banana?
There is a plate of banana. Banana on the table. Banana on the plate. On the plate.
How many
many chairs are there?
13.
There are 5 chairs.
Okay, that's it? Okay. Dennis, what do you think, Dennis? Give applause to this team first. All right, I would like to hear from this group. Is there any comment from their groups? Okay, Dennis and team, what do you think? You don't know. Bara, what do you think, Bara? No idea. And so what about Hairi? So far so good. Okay, Hairi? No comment? Too quiet. Too quiet. What do you think it's too quiet?
The sound.
The sound. Oh, they speak to the volume of their voice. Intonation. And it's too, what do you say? Too, not, you cannot hear it clearly. Okay. Airi, sorry. Ibrahim and Tim? So far so good. No idea. All right. Aga, please have a seat. Okay. Give applause to this group. Whose team? Whose group that has not presented yet? Yours? This one? Okay. Already. Okay. Now, all eyes, look at me here. All eyes. From all your presentation, yeah. When I look at your work, you've done very good, yeah. And the sentence you made it with the example that I have prepared, that's already great as well. So let's get to the next one. Let's have fun first with bambuza. With bambuza. That we will do it per group. Each group will provide your answer. So prepare yourself with the good answer. Okay. There are 4 teams here. Which one is group 1? This one is group 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, and 4. There are 8 numbers here. Each number there is a thing. Ya, setiap nomor ada sesuatunya. Is that? Okay. Okay. Yes, that's enough. Okay, there are 8 numbers, yeah. Each number there is a question. But if you are lucky enough, you will get point. But if you are unlucky, your number could be swept, or you can lose the point. Okay, now let's start from group 1. Which number do you choose? Come on, make it faster. 3. What is number 3? Take points from team 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
0.
You take point from team 4. How many points will you take?
25.
25. Maximum point. Okay. You will be minus 25 points. Your point is minus 25.
10.
Group 2.
1,000 points.
7.
100 points.
7. Let's open number 7. What is it? Take point from Team 1. How many points will it take? 25. Unlucky, you get 0.
Thank you.
All right. Group 3. 2. Okay. Let's open number 2. What is inside? All right. Blah blah blah. 5 apples on the table. There are 5 apples on the table. There are or there is. Are you sure with your answer? There are. Are you sure? I locked the answer. Any oranges, blah blah blah, any oranges in the fridge. -4. Is there?
Oh, the answer.
Oh.
There is no.
Oh, this is the answer. You have to be the answer. Oh, blah blah blah. Any oranges in the fridge. What's the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there? Okay, I know the answer. Is there? There are orange. There are oops. Thank you for letting me. Yes. There are. Okay, number 2. What number? What number? 4. 4. Blah blah blah. 2 crayons in her pencil case.
Yes.
Are there?
Is there?
Are there 2 crayons in her pencil case? Let's open.
Are there?
Are there? Okay, number 3. 5. Okay, so automatically group 4 will choose number 1.
Yes. Inshallah, we can.
Blah blah girl in the front of the door.
There is so many.
There isn't a girl in the front of the door. Are you sure with your answer?
Sure.
We lock the answer. What is the answer? So, what number 4? A cinema in your city.
Itu where are Makima ya?
Ayo. A cinema in your city. What's the answer?
Is there?
Is there?
Are there?
Is there? Okay, now we come to the last one. Let's have reflection first. Okay, all eyes. Come, your receipts. Okay. What do you feel for today's session? Okay, raise your hand if you want to have it.
Happy.
Feel happy. Yes. What is funny?
Have fun.
Have fun.
Dust.
Dust. What do you mean dust?
Okay.
Nothing. Okay.
Fun days. Fun.
Oh, 5 days. 5 days. Okay, is there anything that you can, is there any suggestion for our next meeting?
No. For games.
More games? Okay, more games. Only games. Only games. Only games. What else? A certain game. Movie?
Yeah.
So we have a movie. So we watch movie
Yeah.
on the game.
Practice.
Alright. Okay, now. So what did we learn today?
There are
What else? What else? Okay, Vera, what else? Okay, go down. And the last one? Preposition, yes. We learned preposition. Okay, everyone, I think that's all for today. Before we end, don't forget to study hard at home. Yeah. At home, indoor. So we'll continue again in the next meeting with the new one. Yeah. We will add something new, and we will add more games in our next class. Okay. David, let's close our session today.
And not let's close our class by reciting Alhamdulillah. Say salam to our teacher. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Say thank you to our teacher.
Thank you, Mister.
Thank you, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.